Okay, so now here I am at Nootka Sound Resort, and this is also part of, well, owned by Paul Pfluger, which is a Bay Resort also, and Beaver. And I'm just running around British Columbia, checking all these places out. This is my job. I just go run around the cool resorts and look at cool resorts. And so this is Nootka Sound Resort, and this is this is Galliano Bay here, and that is my room right there, number 10. And that's my view. So I look right out of my window at my company Beaver for Northwest Seaplanes. So this is what we do. We run around to all these cool lodges and we drop people off and pick people up. These are spectacular vacations. You guys ought to try it out. And right now I'm going to go show you. I'm going to show you the accommodations. As you can see, it's very cool. And this is my bedroom right here. That's my bed. How do you like this? You want to talk about deluxe. Look at this place. What do you think of this? Is this what you do for fun? Yeah, this is what I do for fun. This place just blows me away, how cool this place is. And we come here to Beaver. How do you like that? So anyway, call us up. We're on the web, nwseaplanes.com, and this is Nootka Sound Resort. Look us up, look everybody up on Google.